Good morning, crazy couponers. We are running again today because we have clearance updates, we have new deals, we have some freebies, and a glitch to talk about. So before we get started and before you run, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, turn on those notifications, and if you like these videos and you want to see more, hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment down in the comment section below. Also, I've already uploaded a ton of videos between last week and this week talking about the Dollar General clearance event, and we only have today and tomorrow to get in on those deals. Remember, the clearance event will end at closing time tomorrow, which is Thursday, October the 10th. You have a full October clearance event playlist linked for you in the pinned comment down below, and also any other couponing videos will be linked for you in the pinned comment. All right, now let's go ahead and get into it. Up first, this is just a regular daily deal. We did receive a high value DG cashback offer for $7 back on some of these Dove products. They're priced at $12, so that's going to make your final price just $5. Might be a good thing to throw in with a 5 off 25. Next up, we did receive a new 4 off 2 digital coupon on our Dove and Degree dry sprays. This coupon is glitching and working on the smaller sizes. So if you want to pick up the Dove, those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're paying $6 for 2. If you want to pick up the Degree, those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're paying $5 for 2. All right, now we're going to jump into our clearance event deals because just yesterday we had a ton of new items join this clearance event. Now again, this clearance event will end at closing time on Thursday, October the 10th. So we literally only have today and tomorrow to get in on these deals. Now, just like the other clearance event visual videos, we're going to go ahead and move on through the items that are included. And if they have a coupon matchup, like these Garnier Fructis products, you will see that directly after the item. We also received a few new oral care items. We have a couple of Sensodyne products with a coupon matchup, and then we also have some really good deals on the Colgate toothpaste. Now, while we're taking a look at a few of these items, I will ask you guys, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave a comment down in the comment section below. I know on yesterday's video, it was kind of a drop and run kind of thing. So if you forgot to leave a thumbs up, you might want to go back and hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment, let me know if you scored, all of those things, because typically on run videos, a lot of people watch those videos and they go out and get the deals, but they do not hit the thumbs up and they do not leave a comment. So if you guys could do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment. And if you forgot to do that on a previous video, go back and do it. I've explained it before, but I know we have a lot of new crazy couponers, so just kind of think of it like, what if I was standing in front of you in line and I was short like 2 or 3 cents from paying for my grocery items? Would you go ahead and give me the 2 or 3 cents, or would you watch as I had to take items off of that transaction? I would like to think that the majority of you would go ahead and help a girl out. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. All right, next up, we have a couple of food deals that I'm considering run deals because I have a feeling that the shelves will be cleared. Here we have the Haribo Sour Spaghetti. These are included in the clearance event and they are on sale right now. Buy 2, get 1 free. So you're paying $2.48 for all 3. Here's a big one. We have the Reese's and Kit Kat variety bags. These are the big bags. They're on clearance for $4.73 and they are on sale. Buy 1, get 1 free. So you're paying $4.73 for 2 bags. All right, now switching gears for just a second, I do have a quick update from yesterday's video. In yesterday's video, we did go over a lot of cleaning supplies and laundry products that just joined this clearance event. I accidentally left out one item, and that is the True Living Low Splash Lemon Bleach, 43 fluid ounces. These are priced at $1.35. We have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just 85 cents. All right, next up, this is what I'm running for today. We have pet food deals, and these are all 50% off right now during the clearance event unless you can find a 70% off store. We do have cashback offers and coupon matchups, so make sure that you watch the video all the way through. And while we're taking a look at these deals, I do want to let you know that you are probably more than likely going to find these items in their regular spot on the shelves because these items just dropped yesterday. So what I'm finding is either the employees do not have time to go through and pull all of these items and put them in the clearance section or move them up front, or They do not know about them at all. So keep that in mind, and like I always say, look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and scan, scan, scan. Now check this out, the big bags of the Iams dog food for just $10.57. OMG, y'all, you cannot beat that deal, not even when we have coupons and a 5 off 25. You're not going to beat that price. So I hope that you guys can get out there and grab up these deals before this clearance event ends. If not, no worries. I totally feel you. I know that everybody's watching how much we're spending during this clearance event. Everybody's on a tight budget. So if you can't run out and grab these deals up this time around, you know Dollar General is going to have another clearance event here in a month or so. So maybe you can catch the deals in the next clearance event, because all of these items will be included in the next clearance event as well. Now, here's the deal that I definitely wanted to point out. I've already picked some up this morning. We have the Purina Cat Chow Senior Essentials. These are $3.27 right now, and we have a $2 DG cashback offer with a limit of 3. So that's going to make your final price $127 per bag. Also, we have 2 bags of the Friskies included in this clearance event. And if you still have this coupon right here, it is spend $20 or more on Friskies dry cat food and get one of the Friskies compliments for free. So if you have that coupon, make sure that you're throwing in those Friskies compliments so that you can get that free item. Now, like I said, I've already been out this morning. I did test out a few things, and I ended up with an entire buggy full of cat food. If you guys have been around for a minute, you already know I have several rescue cats, and they continue to show up at my front door. So this was a huge blessing for our household. Now, here at the end, these are items that were included in the previous clearance events, but they have really good coupon matchups, so I wanted to go ahead and share these deals with you guys. Now, I do have more deals coming, so be on the lookout for some YouTube shorts today. And I also wanted to point out that we just received a $2 DG cashback offer on the Biore products. Now, there are 2 different face products that I found. We have the Biore Daily Detox. These are priced at $2.40. After the cashback, you're paying 40 cents. And then we also have the Biore Blue Agave. I think that's a face cleanser. Those are priced at just $2. There is a limit of 3 on this cashback offer, so that's going to make 3 of them completely free. Now, before you go, don't forget to check out the pinned comment right down below this video. I will be adding some additional notes for you there. And make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all of the things. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.